Hey guys, and today I'm going to be making a review and unboxing of Air Up, which my mom got. And so apparently what I've heard is when you drink it, it's supposed to flavor the water, what you're drinking, by scent. So maybe that will work. So whenever you're drinking it, you smell the scent, and then apparently you taste the scent. So hopefully it works. So you got this guy over here, which is drinking.
The camera is right here.
What? Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know. So this guy, he's drinking that, or not really drinking, but sniffing it. Maybe.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Let's go.
Oh, it says we don't even need scissors. It says to rip it here.
Rip it good.
That did not work well. Oh.
There you go. OMG.
Jeez. Oh, we have wild berry.
Ooh, wow.
Wild berry, nice.
Is it wild berry? Let me see.
Three pods, here you go.
So there are three pods in here.
And then we have the Air
How much
Up.
is it packet, Ari, when you look in the Amazon?
It had one.
No. Well, how much is it? Like $14?
$14, yes.
For a packet like these.
Yes.
We got 3 pods. So we got the wild berry flavor pods.
Okay.
That's it? Nothing else? Okay.
No,
give me the box.
We have the water bottle in here.
Okay, give me.
So here, 3, 2, 1, the big reveal, the main part, which is the Air Up. Let's move the box out of the way.
So there are different kinds of Air Up, and the one that we got is the plastic kind. They got also the stainless. Yeah, but.
And it said, so here, look, scent, it goes up here, and it goes flavor, and then it goes in there somehow, and then into your water. So it says, when you sip water from your air bottle, you smell take in a small amount of air that passes through the flavor pod. 2, the flavor travels from your mouth up to your the center, where it is perceived as flavor. 3, bam! Plain water just got a whole lot new taste here.
Alrighty.
Okay.
Now let's look. I don't think you can taste it yet, since we're gonna have to wash everything first.
Yeah.
But at least we can see how it looks, and then we'll continue afterwards, right?
Yep. So I just cut into it. It's easier. So here we go. Flip it over. That's a weird way. Bam! It says, sweet. So it says, think new, drink new.
All right.
This is
the
all
packaging is
recyclable.
really nice.
It's all recyclable. Quick start guide. It says, make it individual as you are. It says, quick start guide. Okay, that doesn't have any words, but at the end it just says BAM! So you take this out. Oh wow, what's in here? Welcome to the crew. Nice. So this is the bottle itself. It looks good.
Okay, welcome to the crew.
This is the bottle. It looks good, so let's try it.
Let's see.
It tastes good.
What a pretty big bottle there.
Oh, sweet. This one looks really nice. Air Up.
I don't know. It's I was wondering if it's BPA free, and yes, it is. A pearl white, BPA free.
This is the Air Up bottle.
Put it on your head. They can see how big it is. On your next to your head. Look at that.
Right on my chin.
Big.
Compare it to the iPad. Yeah, that's huge.
How much liter of water is this?
I don't know, but this is the max fill, it says. So
okay.
hopefully so let's take a look inside. And so
is the tip like a silicone or what?
Yeah. It's like, hold on. Yeah, it's silicone. You can feel it.
Yep. Nice straw.
Yes. And I'm not gonna open this yet. I'm gonna do that on chapter 2. I'm just looking at it. So where is the rest of the bottle?
That's it. What do you mean, the rest of the bottle?
Oh, it's already pre-assembled. Nice.
Yeah. So we're gonna have to wash it first.
So that's pretty cool.
Look at me, Ari.
So that's the Air Up bottle.
Ari, look it. Trying to make it so a good photo. Look at me. There we go. Okay, we'll continue. I'm gonna have to wash it first, and then we'll see how it works. All right.
This is the Air Up bottle, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in part 2. See ya.
Well, not part 2, but we'll continue the video
part
after
2,
that.
maybe.
We'll
Yeah.
see. To give you guys an up close look on what it looks like, so it's a pretty thick plastic, which is very nice. Quality wise, it is nice. Looks like it is a dishwasher safe, and designed in Germany. Well, I don't want just designs. Like, you're gonna have to tell me made in China, designed in Germany. Okay, so as you guys can see, that's what it looks like. Rim wise, it's a pretty big one. Looks like it's a liter or half a liter. And then I like the straw. So the straw kind of reminds you of the water drop. You guys can see that? It's a water drop kind of. And then the bottom is also like that. You guys see? And then this is a silicone, a very thick silicone, which is nice. So you guys can see that water drop sign. And also, I'm not sure. Unfortunately, they do not give a brush to clean these. So that is one big thing for the price. I was hoping they're gonna go give you everything that you need to clean it up, unless I missed it in the box. The handle is silicone as well. And this is a thick plastic. Very nice indeed. You cannot flip top the bottle. The top bottle is not a flip top kind. You have to remove it. Okay, maybe it's inside here, Nathan. Maybe here. Yep, there is no brush whatsoever. I wonder why they did that. You would think they'll give you a complete set. Okay, so there we go. I have to wash these, and hopefully it's going to be an easy process. We'll be back. Okay, now wash and dry. So now we're going to go assemble it. And so this is what it looks like. Now put the bottom. Here, Ari.
Yeah.
Put
Okay,
it. Put it.
What?
Put the straw.
Oh. So you put this. Wait. Which way?
That way.
This way?
Uh-huh. Follow. You have to follow the sign where the teardrop is, buddy.
Water droplet.
There you go. Now it's done. And then put the water.
Okay, so we have water.
We're not going to fill up the whole thingy. So we have a cold water right
Can I try
now. Huh? Just pour it. Just pour everything.
Everything in here?
Yep.
Until the max full line?
Yeah, I don't think you can reach the max because this is smaller water that I have. There we go. See, it's not even max. It's very tiny.
Yeah.
But that's okay.
That's still a lot of water.
Yep. And now, this is not a screw kind. You just kind of push it down. You gotta have to make sure it's angled correctly. Right? Is it pushed down completely?
No.
Okay, I think it's pushed down. Alright, we'll double check it later on. And then look how nice it is. So the wild berry is okay. Push more. So this is blueberry, blackberry, raspberry, and the ingredients are what is all natural ingredients, natural flavor. What the poo is the natural flavor means?
Okay.
It's kind of like natural flavor.
It's not
Natural
a flavor. It's not a flavor. It's more like
flavor
a scent.
contains made in Germany. Okay, I don't like when he says just natural flavor.
It's not a flavor. It's more like a scent.
I know, but it doesn't give you anything.
Close it.
No idea. So there is a 42 servings per container. Okay. All right, open it, Ari. Why are you closing it?
I don't know.
What the heck? Okay, open these and then we can see what the pod looks like.
I'm not using this because I'm afraid I'm going to ruin the Ziploc.
Okay, don't ruin the Ziploc. Okay, there
Perfect.
we go.
Kind
And
of messed
now
up
we-
on that.
Okay, hurry.
Let's open the...
So that's good that they do it on like a Ziploc kind of bag. It's not like a mailer kind of bag that they use.
It's cool. You guys
And
can see
then
that.
this is what it looks like, a small pot. And there you go again, the water drop design. And it's sealed. So you undo the sealing, Ari.
Oh, smell.
What does it smell like? I want to smell it.
Smells so good.
Wow, that is a strong scent. It's a wild berry, but it kind of gives a hint of peach as well. So there you go, remove it.
Yeah, I'm trying. It's hard.
There you go, and now put it. Stop sniffing.
Why? Smells good.
And then you kind of just push it all the way down.
And then it says push up to activate.
Push up?
Yeah, there.
There you go. Really?
I taste it.
What
I tasted just a tiny.
Okay, drink some more. Supposedly
I taste it. I taste it.
Okay, now we're gonna go. Is that really how to activate?
Yeah.
Yep.
Taste it.
Put it up.
I taste it.
So it's like these. Okay, now I'm gonna try. That's weird.
It is.
So the funny thing is, if you drink it just like that, it kind of doesn't do much. But if you flip it up to your nose, which is odd because the straw is down there, I think you don't need a straw. So it kind of more towards going down, you know? Because if it's just like that, it doesn't seem, you gotta have to have a lot of water all the time. Because without it, it doesn't. It's more of a scent of tricking you. The first sip is the one that makes a difference. But if you keep drinking like normal, it kind of like goes away fast. Very, very fast. So you gotta have to constantly put your nose there to get the taste.
I would rate this. It's a weird taste, honestly. I give it a
1 out of 10.
9.5.
Huh?
9.5.
9.5?
Yeah, if
Okay.
the taste was better, then this would be a 10.
Okay,
Overall, it's
usability, everything I think is a dupe. It's like 5, okay? It's like for $45, and then once it run out, you have to buy a packet of these for $15.
14.
Well, $15 or more depends on how much tax you have to pay on your
It's
stay.
good. I want to have more.
I don't
good.
think I'm be buying it, honestly.
Can I keep it? I really like it.
I will keep it, but if I have to
I didn't
buy it,
activate it.
then it's not something I would do, honestly. It's like those kind of thing that weird. I don't know. I really don't know. I think I would rather have a sparkling water or something, but that's just me.
It tastes like sparkling water when you sniff this, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's
It's more of a sniff. It's like you get the essential oil, put it right next to you and sniff it. Then I think it will be better. But anyway, Ari likes it.
It's super
I
good.
don't.
Now that
I
I get
don't
used to
like it.
Now that I get used to it, it's a 10.
Okay, it's a 10. He says. I'll try it again without.
You're supposed to sniff it while you're drinking.
Oh my gosh! It's like when you drink, buddy. You're supposed to be like freely drinking, not thinking, no nothing. Just drink.
Yeah,
This
that's
one,
what I'm doing.
you have to consciously drink to get the taste. How stupid is that?
Oh, butterfly. Hi.
But anyway, that is that. It's a mixed review, you guys. It's up to you. If that is your kind of thing, then go ahead and buy it. If you're like me, then nah. You just pass and save your money somewhere else. Buy the sparkling kind of thing for $50 for the set. Oh well, that's that. With that said, thank you guys for watching.
And I'll see you guys next time.
Bye guys. Bye everyone.